So today we are going to be playing with this. So I keep seeing all the dustpan pours and everything else, and just watching the overall design of like a dustpan that people are using and how they're just pouring it out. And it just doesn't seem very effective. It's just like a dirty pour out of a wide basin. So today we took a cup, cut it in half, taped it at the end, made it so it doesn't leak, and we will be filling this up with our paint and then coming in, and then this is going to be the tricky part because I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to do it, but initially we're going to tilt it. After drawing a design in here, we're going to tilt it and bring it out and across, and hopefully keeping as much of the design that we put into the cup on the canvas. Alright, to get started, the colors that we have today . So I have, starting off, I have a little bit of my golden interference violet left. I have to mix some more. I have some more right there, but getting low, so we will be using that. I have my COLORSHIFT pink, my Premier purple red, COLORSHIFT aqua, CRYL fluorescent blue, and then this one's the COLORSHIFT, I haven't marked it yet, but this is the COLORSHIFT blue, black, and we will be putting down a thin white base. So let's get started. Okay, welcome back everyone. So we have our paint mixed up. I have a little skewered design on top of here. We have our white base down, and to work with it, since I am left-handed, I'm going to be angling my oval. That way when I place the cup, it is going to be a lot easier for me to move the cup in the direction I want with my left hand. So let's get started. And I'm going to just let it come over this side, try to bring it up to the canvas as close as possible, let it spill out, and we're just going to let it pour and bring it across. So. It's really pretty inside the cup. So I got some of the design to stay, but let's start tilting. Let's get rid of some of that white base. So there's still quite a bit of paint inside this cup, so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to see if I can't bring some of it across onto a tile. I know it's hard to see from that angle, but all I'm doing is letting it pour out of the cup and slowly dragging it down the tile. Not as much paint in there as I thought, so let's grab some off the table real quick. Alright, so some really pretty stuff going on over on this side, so we're going to come in underneath the canvas, we're going to pull some up. It's so funny how dark it is down there, and then once I got to put it on here, it just kind of went very pastel, didn't it? That's better. But alright, let me re-angle this for you guys so you guys can see what's going on there. Hundreds of tiny little cells. They're so cool looking. And I'm like excited for what's going on over here and underneath here. It's gonna have some really pretty skins. But now I bring you guys in for a close-up so you can see the madness that is going on in here. Now the areas that we did the skewer ahead of time was on this side, inside the cup. So when it came out, it's like it already had predestined cells. And the area that we didn't touch was on the outside here, and you can see the larger cells. So using that skewer ahead of time inside of your cup to create your pattern. Didn't quite keep the pattern, but I still like the way this turned out. It's really cool looking. Definitely a color change for my channel, but I like it. So again, for anybody that missed it at the beginning of the video, we took a styrofoam cup. You can probably do it with a paper cup, any kind of cup. You want to cut it as evenly across as you can. That way you can do it twice. Then just take some painter's tape and tape up the sides right across. Make sure it goes under, and then come back with another piece, pressing it firmly into this inner ridge. Just create a little wall. That way when you go to fill up your half cup, and then to come in and just rock it and let it all come out. And then like I did with this oval, I wanted to keep with that shape. Super easy, very inexpensive. You don't have to go out and buy any kind of specialty dustpans or anything. But yeah, I like this. I think it turned out really cool. I love the colors. I can't wait to see them dry, especially with that interference violet in here. As I move, I can pick up little areas that it's popping through, so it's gonna be exciting when it's dry. But till then, don't forget to check out all my sites. I have them all linked below for you guys. And if you like my videos, if you like this kind of stuff, if you want to see more, please come over and hit subscribe right down here in this little corner, or the subscribe button. It completely helps out my channel. And until next time though, you guys are amazing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!